Want an extra copy of your important files in the cloud? Mega can help you keep documents, photos, videos, and other files available outside your computer. In this guide, I'll show you a simple way to back up your files with Mega and make sure the backup is actually usable. Let's get started. Before uploading anything, organize the files you want to protect. Remove unnecessary duplicates and group related files into folders. For example, you might create separate folders for documents, photos, videos, and important projects. A clean structure makes your backup much easier to manage. Next, open Mega and sign in to your account. Make sure you have enough available cloud storage for the files you plan to back up. You can check your storage information from your Mega account before starting a large upload. Now create a dedicated folder in Mega for your backup. Give it a clear name such as Computer Backup or Important Files. Then, if needed, create subfolders that match the structure on your computer. This keeps everything easy to locate later. Open your backup folder and use the Upload option to select your files or folders. You can upload individual items, multiple files, or an entire folder. For a large backup, upload in manageable groups if necessary. This can make it easier to monitor the process. Once the upload starts, wait for all transfers to finish. Then compare the files in Mega with the originals on your computer. Check important folders and make sure the files open correctly. If something is missing, upload that item again before considering the backup complete. A backup is most useful when it stays current. Whenever you create or significantly change important files, update the corresponding Mega backup. You can also use Mega's desktop sync features for selected folders if that fits your workflow. So just remember that syncing and backup aren't exactly the same thing, and that's a simple way to back up your files with Mega. Organize your data, upload it to a dedicated backup folder, verify the files, and keep the backup updated. One extra copy can make a big difference if something goes wrong with your computer. Pretty useful, right?